Dear students, today we are going to start our fifth chapter, that is Paint, Explore It. So what is the name of our fifth chapter? Paint, Explore It. So we know how to draw pictures in a book. In the same way, we can draw pictures as well as we can give colors in computer also. So for that, a particular application is present in our computer. Now let us learn about the paint application. To start the paint application, so let us see how to start a paint application. Click on the start button on the desktop, a menu appears. So we know that at the bottom of the desktop you can see start button. So in the first step you have to click on this start button. So on clicking on this start button, a menu appears. In this menu you have to select programs. So you have to select programs. On selecting these programs, one more menu appears. So click on the programs in this menu. So in this menu, what we have to select? Programs. Another menu opens. So on clicking on these programs, what happens? Another menu opens. Click on the accessories option in this menu. A third menu appears. So in this menu, which one we have to select? Accessories. So first we have to click on start button, then programs, then accessories. So on clicking on this accessories, what happens? One more menu, third menu, or one more menu appears. Click on the paint option in this menu. So in this menu, which one we have to select? Paint. Okay. So start, programs, accessories, paint. So from this list you have to select paint. So click on the paint option in this menu. A window appears. This is called paint window. So on clicking on this paint, what happens? Paint window appears. So what is the step to open or to start paint application? Yes, first we have to click on this start button. After that programs, then accessories, then paint. Start, programs, accessories, paint. Click on the start button on the desktop. A menu appears. Click on programs in this menu. Another menu opens. Click on the accessories option in this menu. A third menu appears. Click on the paint option in this menu. A window appears. This is called paint window. Paint window. So on clicking on the paint option, what happens? The paint window opens. So this is our paint window. So here we have to paint, or here we have to draw pictures. A window appears. This is called paint window. So this is called the paint window. So this is what? Our paint window. The paint window has the following components. So what are the components of paint window? Yes, let us see. Title bar. So this is title bar. This blue line, this blue rectangle is title bar. Then what is this? White page. What is the name of this? Drawing board or screen. So this is our drawing board. Then here you can see the blue line. What is this? Vertical scroll bar. And what about this? This is also scroll bar, but it is horizontal scroll bar. So this is horizontal scroll bar and this is vertical scroll bar. Then what is this? Status bar. Then here you can see the color box. Foreground color, then background color. Then what you can see here? Toolbox. And what about this? Menu bar. So below the title bar you can see one more bar, and what is the name of that bar? Menu bar. So this is menu bar, this is title bar, and this is toolbox. Drawing board, vertical scroll bar, this is vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, status bar, then this is color box. So these are the components of a paint window. Now let us see one by one. The title bar. So what is title bar? It is the horizontal bar at the top of the window. So title bar is a horizontal bar at the top of the window. So at the top of the window, at the top of this window, what we can see? A horizontal bar, and the name of that bar is title bar. The name of the application and the file name appears on this bar. So in this title bar you can see the file name, then name of the application and some buttons. So here file name appears and here the name of the application. So here it is paint application, so it shows paint. Then we can see some buttons. So this button, X button, is close button, and this is maximize button, and this is minimize button. The name of the application and the file name appears on this bar. It also has 3 buttons on the top right corners as shown in the figures. So at the corner of this title bar you can see 3 buttons: minimize button, maximize button and close button. So what is title bar? The horizontal bar at the top of the window. Then second one, menu bar. So where it is located? Yes, below the title bar you can see menu bar. It is below the title bar. It has the names of various menus. So here you can see menu bar is located below the title bar and it contains various menus such as file, edit, view, image, colors, help. So all these are menus. So it has the names of various menus. On clicking any of these menus, a list with many options appears. So if you click on the file menu, then what happens? A list appears. On clicking any of these menus, a list with many options appears. These lists are called drop down menus. So if you click on any menu, what happens? A list appears. So what is the name of this list? Drop down menu. So it is called drop down menus. So title bar is located below the menu bar is located below the title bar and it has names of various menus. On clicking any of these menus, a list with many options appears. These lists are called drop down menus. Next, drawing board. So what is drawing board? It is the central part of the screen that is blank. So this central part of the window is called drawing board. This is the part on which pictures are drawn. So here we have to draw pictures using pencil. So here you will get pencil, and using this pencil you have to draw pictures. After that you have to give colors. So here color box is present, here pencil erasers are present. So using those tools you have to draw pictures here. So this is our drawing board. Then scroll bars. The scroll bars. The paint window is big in size and does not fit completely on the screen. So this paint window is somewhat bigger. Now we can see only this much portion, but it is bigger. In order to see the lower part, what we have to do? We have to move this scroll bar downwards. Yes, in order to see this part, what we have to do? We have to move this page towards this side. So for that we have to use horizontal scroll bar, and to move the page downwards we have to use vertical scroll bar. The paint window is big in size and does not fit completely on the screen. The scroll bars allow you to view the unseen part of the paint window. So what is the use of scroll bar? It helps to view the unseen part of the paint window. The vertical scroll bar moves the window up and down. So using this vertical scroll bar, we can move our page up or down. Using this scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, we can move our page. We can move our page left or right. So that is the use of scroll bar. So in order to move this scroll bar, you have to keep the mouse pointer here, and then you can move this scroll bar. Toolbox. The toolbox. A toolbox appears on the left side of the screen. So on the left side, what you can see, toolbox. It has many tools that we can use when making pictures. So this toolbox contains many tools, and using these tools we can draw pictures. So here you can find pencil, eraser, and here you can see some pictures, shapes. So you can use all these tools for drawing pictures. Okay, so this is our toolbox. Then color box. The color box. The color box at the bottom of the screen contains smaller boxes of different colors. It allows you to choose whatever colors you would like to use in your picture. So this color box contains different colors. So you can select any color and you can give color to your pictures. So that's all about our 5th chapter, how to start paint application. So how to start paint application? We have to click on the start button. Then from that we have to select programs, then accessories, then paint. Then what happens? Paint window appears. So on this paint window you can see title bar, menu bar, drawing board, scroll bars, toolbox, color box. So window contains all these components. So some questions are given here based on this chapter. Some questions are given. What is the use of scroll bars? So what is the use of this scroll bar? Yes, we studied. Using the scroll bars, we can view the unseen part of the paint window. So using the scroll bars, we can view the unseen part of the paint window. What is the drawing board? So what is drawing board? Yes, drawing board is a central part of the screen. Central part of the screen is called what? Drawing board. What does toolbox contain? So what does toolbox contain? Toolbox contains many tools that we can use while making pictures. Name the different parts of the paint windows. Which are the different parts of paint window? Title bar, menu bar, drawing board, scroll bars, toolbox, color box. So remaining questions are homework. Okay, you have to match these A and B. Then fill in the blanks. So then in the next page also you can find one homework. Okay, then project. One project is given here. You have to write the answer here itself. Okay, name the following. I have 2 buttons. I am placed on a pad. What am I? So I have 2 buttons. I am placed on a pad. What am I? So you have to write the name of that part. Okay. Then I look like a television set. What am I? I print the results on paper. What am I? You press me to get the answer from computer. What am I? I am pressed to enter a capital letter along with an alphabet key. What am I? So you have to write the answer here. Then circle the correct picture. Compact disk. So among these, which one is the compact disk? Yes, you have to round it. Okay. Then among this, which is a desktop? Then among this, which is a CPU? So you have to circle the correct picture. Okay. So these are some homework.